education for 1,700 days.
Disclaimer: the content on this channel is meant only to provide helpful insights, tips, and information on certain subject or topic. While we strive to provide accurate and up-to-date knowledge, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult a qualified expert or professional for your specific needs. We encourage you to use this content as a guide for learning and additional information. If you think this does not fit what you want, please skip the video.
The rise of artificial intelligence is bringing significant changes to society, and it's doing so in ways that touch almost every aspect of our lives: economy, work, education, and even our relationships. Jobs and the economy. AI is automating many tasks that were traditionally done by humans. For example, robots and algorithms can now handle things like customer service. Think of chatbots, manufacturing, data entry, and even complex decision-making processes. This means that some jobs, especially repetitive or routine ones, are disappearing or changing dramatically. While AI can increase efficiency and lower costs, it also raises concerns about unemployment and job displacement, especially in industries like transportation, with self-driving vehicles, retail, and healthcare. However, AI also creates new opportunities. It's generating demand for new kinds of jobs, like data scientists, AI developers, and roles focused on managing and interpreting AI systems. Many experts believe that AI will push society to focus more on creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, areas where humans still have an edge. Healthcare. In healthcare, AI is transforming the way we diagnose and treat diseases. For example, AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays or MRIs with incredible accuracy, often better than human doctors. AI can also help predict outbreaks of diseases, customize treatments to individual patients, and improve the efficiency of hospitals by automating administrative tasks. This could lead to more personalized and timely healthcare. Yet, with all the benefits, there's a growing debate about the ethical implications, such as privacy concerns when AI systems analyze patient data, or potential biases in AI medical tools that could unintentionally harm certain populations. Education. AI is also revolutionizing education. Personalized learning tools can now tailor educational content to individual students based on their learning style, pace, and needs. Virtual tutors, AI-driven platforms, and adaptive learning software are making education more accessible and flexible. Students can now learn at their own pace, with AI providing real-time feedback. However, there are concerns about whether AI will create a more unequal education system, where those with access to advanced technologies get ahead while others are left behind. AI is also entering our daily lives through smart devices and apps. Virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa can help manage your schedule, control your home's lighting, or order groceries. AI is also used in streaming services like Netflix and Spotify to recommend movies, shows, and music based on your preferences. But this brings up privacy issues. Companies using AI gather large amounts of data about you to make these recommendations, and there's ongoing debate about how this data is stored, used, and protected. Ethics and control. One of the biggest concerns about AI is the ethical question of who controls it and how it's used. AI systems are not neutral. They're created by humans who might inadvertently embed their biases or unethical practices into them. For example, facial recognition systems have been criticized for being less accurate with people of color, leading to concerns about racial bias. There's also the question of decision-making power. As AI takes over more functions, from job recruitment to justice systems, it becomes important to ensure that these technologies make fair, transparent, and accountable decisions. Some people are worried that we might one day rely too much on machines and lose control over critical aspects of society. Shifting relationships. On a social level, AI is affecting how we interact with each other. Social media algorithms, for example, determine what content we see, which influences our opinions, politics, and even our mental health. Some researchers argue that these AI-driven platforms contribute to echo chambers, where we only see content that confirms our existing beliefs, making society more divided. Moreover, AI-powered systems like dating apps or social platforms can change how we form relationships, meet people, and build communities. The future. Looking ahead, many are optimistic that AI can help us tackle some of the world's most significant challenges, like climate change, disease control, and sustainable development. But to ensure AI benefits everyone, there will need to be careful regulation and open dialogue about its risks and rewards. It's a powerful tool, and like any tool, how we use it will shape its impact on society. In short, AI is transforming society by reshaping how we work, learn, receive healthcare, and even relate to one another. While it offers great potential for improving quality of life, it also raises important challenges that we must address to ensure it serves everyone fairly.